audio back on. Alright, so let me see. I said this.
Welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Minimize this a little.
It looks like the audio is good.
Okay. Just a little. Okay.
Hi, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Tech Talk with Raymond Sakurai. Every day of the week is a different certification.
Alright.
All right, welcome in.
Okay.
Welcome, King of Wickedness. Welcome. Oh, I didn't even start yet. You can hear me, right? I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, let me.
What do you need?
No, let me try this out.
Okay.
Try this here. Hello, hello, hello.
Hi, Big John. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is Linux, so buckle in. Welcome, Jay Buddha.
Okay, that's good.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Welcome, 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 welcome. This is Tech Talk with Raymond Sakurai. Is this the right question?
Yes,
Oh,
that's
okay.
the right
All right,
question.
nobody guessed
Yeah.
yet, so. Wait, is it off? Oh, okay, got it. All right, welcome in, welcome in. It's very hard. There's a lot going on today, so it's very hard to see where you guys are at. Did you flip it so that I'm on the right side that time?
Yes, you are.
All right. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Raymond Sakurai. This is curated for people, hi Brain X, people breaking into IT newly. Every day of the week is a different certification. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday we do Linux. The idea is that if you're doing, plan on taking any of the certification, you come here, take the exam with us, see how well you're doing, gauge yourself if you're doing well, answering the questions so you know that you're ready for the certification. If you know that you're struggling a little bit, then a little bit of polishing is needed before you go in and take the certification. So again, today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus, all right? All right, so a Linux administrator needs to lock the account for user 3 without deleting the account. Which of the following commands should the administrator use? Welcome in. Oh, okay, somebody said C. Welcome. I don't think I've seen you before. Welcome. So just one C so far. Welcome, Uncle Twist. How are you? Okay, we have B, we have C. Okay. All right. This one off.
Oh, okay.
All right. Welcome in. Okay, so B and C.
Let me try this.
Welcome, welcome. C. Okay, so we have B and C. Oh, hi. So you do this on Thursdays with Security Plus. Yeah, so Thursday is Security Plus. Today is Linux Plus. So it's same time, 9 p.m. Eastern for Security Plus tomorrow. Welcome, Josh. Oh, Josh says this is too easy. Okay. Hi, Win. Welcome in.
Okay.
Kobna, welcome. Okay. We're ready when you are, so.
Let me just minimize this.
Okay. We're waiting for you for the answer, by the way.
Yeah, give me a few.
No problem. See you tomorrow. If you're not following, follow, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Hi, Street Geeks. How are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Raymond Sakurai. Every day of the week is a different certification. Today is a Wednesday, so Wednesday we do Linux Plus. So again, if you're not following, follow it. The idea that if you plan on taking any certification, you come here. Welcome, Shadman. You come here. Get it wrong so you can get it right. Hello. Hi, Humble Expressions. How are you?
Hey,
Welcome in.
Wayne.
Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. All
All
right.
right. So Um, yeah, so the question is basically saying that you have a user um, called user 3, right?
Correct.
And you would like to, um, okay, you would like to lock the user's account without deleting the account, right? um, and there might be different reasons for that, right? So
Welcome in.
now
C. Okay.
the question options, right? No, sorry, the answer options is we have the A is for user del, right? So we have user del, pass WD, user mod, and then we'll ch
E.
age,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So now each of the possible answer is different command.
Okay.
So in this specific question, if you know the exact command to
Welcome, Kimberly.
modify users or account, that's all you need, right? So the answer would be. Hold on, let me see.
Not you want to say the wrong answer. Anyway, welcome. This is Tech Talk with Women's Talk. Every day of the week is a different certification as he brings the answers in. The answer choices that we have here is C, B, and hold on, C, B, and D. So, hold on. Anybody else said anything else? Okay, C, B, D. What's the answer?
So the answer would be
B. Are
B.
you sure?
It would be B.
Okay. Oh, okay. Hi, Biz. How are you?
The answer would be B. I'm gonna
Benayo
share
Billy,
my.
welcome. How are you? This is Tech Talk with Women's Talk. Every day of the week is a different certification. Okay, Stephen wants to know why is
Yes,
B.
no problem.
All
So
right,
I'm gonna share my screen here.
so this is a curated study session for people breaking into IT newly. So every day of the week, like I mentioned, is a different certification. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday we do Linux Plus. The idea is that again, if you're planning on taking certification, you come and get it right here, so you get it wrong here, so you can get it right on the exam. This is Raymond. He has over 30 plus certification, including CISSP. The people in the chat, there's different chat today, guys. We're evolving. So the people in the chat, they range from TikTok chat. They range from to newbies like me to the OGs. So if the question doesn't make sense, they will tell us, hey, the question doesn't make sense. It needs to be worded this way. But you come and you learn with like-minded people, right? So please take it away.
All right. So this is an Ubuntu
Do you see his
virtual
screen?
machine.
Oh, shoot. How did
Do
I
you
get
see?
here? I don't even know how I got here. Okay, I see it.
Right. Uname dash A. All right. So Ubuntu machine right here. Right. Virtual machine. So we have 4 different commands. Right. So which one was the most popular
Answer?
answer options?
A lot of people said C. It was between C and B, honestly.
C and B, right?
Yeah, C and B.
All right, so let's see. Let's do C first, right?
Okay.
So it says C says user mod dash R, right? So now in Linux, right? There are so many commands, right? So one of the
Welcome.
one of the tools that you would need, or the command that you would need, is the
Ray of
man
sunshine.
command, or the man page. It basically shows you the the manual page of that specific command, right? So I'm going to type the man page of, in this case, it says user mod, right? Let's do user mod and press enter.
Greg, by the way, Greg M says that C, but good admins shouldn't be using local passwords, so none of these would work.
Okay.
That's what Greg says. Oh, okay. All right, so continue.
All right, so we have user mod dash C, dash R, right? So this is the man page. It gives you all the flags, or all the flag, the switches, or the options, right? Those are the dash A, dash B, right? So let's scroll down and see dash R, right? That is C, right? User mod dash R. Scrolling down. Right here. So this is what C was saying, right? User mod dash C and then the username. So would remove the user from the named group, right?
Welcome in,
So
welcome in.
this option here, the user mod dash R, is used to remove a user from a group, right? It doesn't lock the user account,
Okay.
right? So now so we know the user mod is not the right option. So let's try man pager for pass WD, right? Press enter, scroll down, and we see dash L right here, right? It says log the password of the named account,
Okay.
right? And that was what the question was asking, right?
Okay.
So it's pass WD dash what dash L or dash what lock.
It's locked. Okay. So the people that said C, so what about D? Somebody did say D.
That is changing the password age,
Okay.
right? So you know
What's
how sometimes your password has to change, or
What
you
says
have to
me?
change the password, let's say every 3 months.
It
So
was
that
Win,
is
by the way.
the command for that. Let me
Okay.
hide this
So
here.
was it that the question was a little difficult, or is it the verbiage that was off?
No, I don't think it was
The
verbiage.
verbiage?
I don't think it was verbiage.
Okay.
No.
Stephen Apple, I hope that makes sense. If there's any rebuttals, please let me know. I'm trying my best to read the chats today. It's a lot of chats.
Okay.
But welcome in, welcome in. It was a good question. Okay. All right. Welcome in. This is damn GGs. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Room with Sakwe, aka the IT study room. Every day of the week is a different certification. The idea is that if you're planning on taking a certification, this is curated for people taking breaking into IT newly. So like I said, every day of the week is a different certification. And Monday was A plus, Tuesday was Network Plus, today Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday is going to be Security Plus, right? So and then Friday Cloud Plus, et cetera, et cetera. So again, if you're not following, follow. The idea is that you come here if you're planning on taking any of the certifications, get it wrong here so you can get it right on the exam. The people in the chat, we range, right? And you know, people that don't know nothing like me. And the OGs with over 30 plus certifications. So please do ask your questions away, okay? All right. Where am I from? Marcel Cartel. Oh, do I have an accent? Ask me why before tell me why before I tell you where I'm from. Will AI replace IT jobs? This is the question all the time. Wait, the answer is B. Yes, the answer was B. The great Luduni. And Mike says, what time do you guys start? Yeah, so we start at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So we just started. So what time is it? Like, it's been like 10 minutes. So whatever time you just joined in. So 9 p.m. Eastern time. No, the guy. Oh, the guy. Well, we're both Africans. We're from Ghana. So it's just his accent is, a little thicker than mine. That's all. But he's the brainiac in the team. All right, next question. Ready when you are.
All right. So let's try the next question here.
Sure. Do join us tomorrow. So security is a big topic apparently because security, everybody shows up for security. I don't know why. It's between security, cloud, AWS, and A+. Everybody shows up. But isn't is pseudo sub Africa. What hourly IT? I don't know if I get what you're saying. You're only, but it's pseudo. Then answer is B. Do you get what hourly IT?
Let me do Control C. The answer is D. If it's pseudo.
Oh, I don't know if. Hourly, are you trying to answer this? Oh, the previous question. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
that's
okay.
the previous question.
Okay. He's saying that if it was pseudo, then answer is B.
Okay.
You don't need pseudo. Oh, you don't need so. Can you answer hourly IT? Because I'm confused. Hourly IT, then you don't need pseudo. You don't need pseudo question mark
I mean,
for the previous
when
question.
it comes to modifying users, you always need pseudo.
You
You
need
have
pseudo.
you have to be
I'm talking to you down
super
here like you
user.
see me. I'm sorry.
But unless the user is already logged in as root, right?
As
but,
who?
Root user.
Okay.
Yeah, but every user modification should be.
That's an admin, so
Should
no
be.
pseudo. Okay, Adewale, welcome in. All right. Okay, so you're on route. Got it. Okay. All right. Where do I start to break into IT? She got it. So it's a very tough question to answer. But again, I'm not into IT. I'm just here to chit chat, He's into IT, but it depends from what the chat has been talking about this past couple of weeks. Also depends on what you're trying to do in IT. So I think maybe the better question is what your interest in IT would be, right? All right, as I chat away, a Linux administrator needs to set an expiration date for user 4's account. Which of the following commands should the administrator use? Oh, humble expressions. I'm waiting for your answer if you're still there. Hi, official Shadrach. How are you? Guys, a lot of chat today, right? So I'm looking everywhere. Okay. All right, C. We have the answer is C. C. I was gonna say you could do it through root or sudo, right? Somebody asked the previous question. I was gonna say you could do it through root or sudo, right?
Yeah, you can log in as root or use sudo to escalate your privilege.
Okay. What's XY? I ain't seeing one. I mean XJ. All right. So we have C and A. What's the answer?
Okay. So
Welcome, TY.
and if
Welcome,
so,
Josh.
most of let me see okay. Most of these commands might perform the same task. However, you also have to consider what the option or the flag, right? So
Okay.
-M, -E. Yeah, you have to also consider that as well, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So what's the answer?
All right. So okay, it says Linux administrator needs to set an expiration date for user force account. Which of the following commands should the administrator use? That would be A.
A. Okay.
A.
You sure?
Set expiration
Are you sure?
date. All right. Let's go to the command line.
Majority says C.
No problem.
I just want to make sure because
No, that is fine.
majority
That
says
is fine.
C.
Yeah, let's go to
But except for
command.
Adewale, you, what do you do? Do tell. Brag about your certifications. Are you in school? Okay, from the following question, it was changed, but what does -M or E or X mean? That's a good question, dancing person over there.
Okay.
Yeah, what does the -E -X -M-E thing mean?
Yeah, so when it comes to Linux, right, most of, I think every command, right, would have the main command and a flag, right, or a switch or an option, right?
Okay.
So let's say user add, right? User add can have a few options, right? So one of the options might modify the user, right? One of the options might add the user to a group, right? So with one command, you can perform multiple tasks, right? So that is the -E, -M, and all that, right?
Okay.
So
Somebody
let
did
me
answer
share.
though. E is expired date. X is number of days before it expires. Is that true?
Yeah, and it
Hi,
depends.
DRMP. I didn't see you yesterday.
It depends on the command, right? The command, let's say -E on a different command might mean different thing than what -E on a different command,
Oh,
right? So
okay.
it's not
So it
always,
differs.
yeah.
Okay.
So and that's why I always reference the man page, right? The man page will tell you exactly
Okay.
what flag to use, right?
Okay.
So let's do. So the answer was A, right? But you
said A.
said most people said
C. A lot of people said C.
That is CHH, right? So let's try that. Let's try that. So let's do man page of what? CHH right here. Press enter, right? That is it. Change password expiration to set an expiration date for. Okay, so let's go to the options here. So this is CHH-M. So let's scroll the way to M and see if M would perform the same task right here. So this is what -M, right? Which is minimum days, right? So it says set the minimum number of days between password change, right? So if I change my password today, when should I change the password again?
Next,
right?
okay.
Most of
Long
the time it's
term.
like three months, right? Depends on the
guidelines.
the company's policy. There you go,
Policy,
right? So the -M here, I don't think fulfills the requirement, right? Which says you would need to set an expiration date for a user, right? Not the minimum days expiration, right?
Okay.
So the CH- M wouldn't work, right?
Okay.
So let me exit out of this and then do man page of, the first one is user mod, right?
Okay.
User mod, and press enter, right? And the option here is dash E. So let's scroll down right here, right? It says dash E, which is dash dash expire date, right? The date on which the user account would be disabled,
Okay.
right? So that is it, right? So that is the expiry date.
Okay.
I hope that makes sense.
When?
Let's
When is my
try
only the
this.
person that can gauge it for me properly? Hopefully that makes sense. Doesn't make sense if it doesn't. So you can stay on the page. But a lot of people did say C, and yeah, it was between C and A actually. I think there was one B, but I don't know if that was before. All right. Next question. Welcome. Okay, yes, it makes sense. All right, perfect. Is that for everybody? Well, welcome in. If anybody's planning on taking the Linux Plus certification, this is the right place for you to be today. But this is Tech Talk Room with Sakura, aka the IT Study Room. If you're planning on taking any certification, this is curated. It's a program curated for people breaking into IT newly, right? So every day of the week is a different certification. Monday was A plus. I'm stalling so he can bring the next question, by the way. Monday is A plus. Tuesday was Network Plus. Today, Wednesday, Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus, et cetera, et cetera. So the program and the schedule is posted on the page. Again, so the idea is that you come here, if you plan on taking any of the certifications, see how well you're doing with the questions, right? Gauge yourself. If you're doing well, you know that you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, you know that a little brushing is needed here and there. The people in the chat, they range from people like me, that don't really know anything about this. Bossman here has over 30 plus certification, including CISSP, so they are well versed into answering the questions for you. There is no dumb question. Believe you me, I will ask a question for you. So welcome in. Will, this is not AZ900. AZ900 is on Thursdays. No, I'm sorry, Sunday.
Sundays,
Sunday. This is the next question?
No.
Oh,
Not yet.
I did all of that. You free to switch.
Okay.
So welcome in. If you're not following, follow. CISSP knows. Oh, okay. I thought you meant we doing CISSP. But if you're planning on taking CISSP and if you have any questions, you can DM him. He'll respond. It'll just take a minute for him to respond. But yes, he does have a CISSP. What is the cause of what? Of the CISSP? Satisfaction. You're new here, aren't you? I think you are. If you're not following, follow. Welcome to the family. Other class. So he does teach a boot camp, but this is really just my dream of becoming an influencer. No, I'm just joking. But the thing is, this is a curator for people breaking into IT. But if you are interested, you could DM him. Welcome in, all the new people. I'm a student data analytics.
Okay.
Welcome
Cool.
in, Will. Welcome. Do data analytics people need Linux? Do you need Linux?
So it depends, right?
Okay.
Data analytics, I think to some degree you might not.
Oh.
However, if you start dealing with
Okay.
data pipeline,
Okay.
right, you might.
Okay, he says, I have difficulty with pandas and Python data cleaning. Oh. I mean, he doesn't teach Python here, but the man loves himself some Python. But anyway, that's a little advanced for me. So, hi, Tupac.
Tupac?
Okay, so Linux administrator, I don't know what you were saying, but all right, a Linux administrator needs to give the correct permission on a file called exam text. The owner needs to have full permission to the file. The group only needs read and execute permission, and others will not have any permission. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to accomplish this task? Welcome, Emmanuel. Okay, hold on. The class. Oh, nobody said the answer for this one yet. Okay. Okay. All right. Emmanuel says C. I'm not sure with this one. I forgot what the numbers mean.
Mm-hmm.
Take a guess.
Yeah, the number's a little confusing.
Oh, will you help me get GitHub AZ900? Is GitHub the same thing as AZ900?
AZ? No.
Oh,
No,
okay. And
it's
so I thought AZ900 was
yeah,
Azure,
Azure Fundamentals.
but there's a GitHub certification
Yeah,
as well.
there is.
Oh,
Yeah,
well,
I
what's your
have
name?
that.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
They are
that's the one you
advanced. I
have.
mean, there's
Okay.
different ones
Oh,
too.
okay. Well, you could DM him because I don't think we're doing
Unless
GitHub.
it's GitHub and is900.
Or are you trying to do GitHub and
Yeah.
Easy? Okay. Oh, it's different. Okay, so the two different ones you're
Okay,
trying to.
okay, okay.
Well, DM him then, right? Because I'm even struggling with this one. I was just imagine when he says let's do AZ. I mean, what do you call it? GitHub or something. All right. So majority is saying Z.
Z.
C.
Wow.
Yeah. Majority is saying C. Hi
Okay.
Santos. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. C. It's unanimously C. So I'm going
Okay.
with the crowd here. Is C.
Yeah, yeah.
Notice
So,
that when it comes to Linux, I don't answer nothing. Nothing. All right, so is majority right?
yeah, so the answer is C.
Oh,
Right.
satisfaction. Sean,
Right.
I'm gonna call you Sean. Sean said A, but Sean was
A.
guessing. No,
Okay.
Sean was guessing.
So let me share my screen here. So um, in Linux, da, 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 da.
Oh, 750. What is it? Oh, okay. C
C, yeah.
750. Okay, all right.
Um, Linux permissions.
Welcome in. Welcome in.
Let me see if I can get a diagram to. Oh, come on. Okay. I just want a diagram.
Go to images now. Welcome in. If you're new here, this is Tech Talk Room in Sakura. This is my preamble to stall in between. So this is a curated program for people breaking newly into IT. Every day of the week is a different certification. The program is pasted on the page. Starting off with 8 plus, Network plus, Security plus, Linux plus, Security plus, Cloud plus. You ready? Cloud plus.
Yeah.
If you're not following, follow. If you're not following, follow. If you're planning on taking any of the certifications, the ideas that come here, get it wrong here so you can get it right in the exam. The people in the chat, we range. I don't know nothing, but the OGs are in the chat. They will tell you, and they're pretty respectful. The thing is, if you're not respectful in the chat, I will block you. It is a free roll. So I will block you. But besides that,
Yes.
welcome in if you want to learn. Welcome in.
Okay, capture screen. Almost there.
All right.
Almost
I
there.
don't think I can repeat the preamble at this
Yes, you
point.
can.
No, we're waiting for you, by the way.
All right. So let's do
All right. He's bringing in his screen.
mobile phone permission here.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right.
All right, I
so
think I
let's
see it.
expand This.
Okay, they see it, right? You guys see the scene, right?
Yeah, I think this is fine
Okay.
here. I have to adjust this here.
Okay.
All right, I think that should be okay.
All right. Okay.
So when it comes to Linux, right?
Mm-hmm.
Linux permissions, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have the option to set permission for the owner of the file, right? So if I
Okay.
create a file, I'm the owner, right? So let's say, obviously, right? So let's say we work in the same organization, right?
Mm-hmm.
We work in the same department, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if I create a file or a directory or folder in Linux,
Mm-hmm.
right? I'm the owner of the file,
Mm-hmm.
right? So Linux gives you the control of setting permission for the owner,
Mm-hmm.
for the group,
Mm-hmm.
and for others, right?
Okay.
So group meaning since we are in the same department, you are part of the group,
Okay.
right? So if I create a file or a folder, I can set permission in such a way that you as the member of a group
Mm-hmm.
only have read permission. You
Okay.
can't modify or write or make changes to the file.
Okay.
Right? You have that control.
Got it.
So it's three permission groups. So owner, group, and then others. Right? So others that have access to the file but not really part of the department or the group or the owner. Right?
Got it.
So you can set read, write, and execute, right,
Mm-hmm.
in each of the permission group, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can either use what? So when we see this screen right here,
Mm-hmm.
right, you see where it says owner, right? Owner has its what? Read, write, execute. Group has its what? Read, write, what? But this is not exit, it's
Oh,
dash,
okay.
which means they don't have execute permission,
Okay.
right? Others, it says read dash X. So they have the read permission, they don't have write, but they have execute,
Okay.
right? So either you can type read, write, execute, or there's numbers associated with it, right?
Okay.
Number 4 is what? Is for read.
Okay.
Number 2 is for write. Number 1 is for execute,
Execute.
right? So instead of writing WRX,
Uh-huh.
I can do 4 plus 2 plus 1.
You gotta do math too.
I know, right? So
Welcome,
that would give you 7, right?
welcome,
So
Secretary.
7 is what? Is full permission, right?
Okay.
6 will be what? Read and write, but no what? Execute,
Mm-hmm.
right? So the last one would be what? Read, so 4 plus what? 1 will be 5. So
Mm-hmm.
read and what? And execute. So let me hide this right here for a second. And, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the question is saying that the user needs what? Full permission.
Mm-hmm.
The group only needs what? Read and execute. We
Mm-hmm.
know that the read is what? Is 4, and then the execute is what? Is 1.
Okay.
Right? So that would be what? 5. Right? And then others, they do not need any what? Any permission. So that would be what? 0. So that is why the
Oh.
answer is what? C, which
Okay.
is, so there's the change mod, right? So basically making changes to a file or a folder, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's the command to use. However,
I'm just nodding. I hope you understand. I'm just here nodding.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so the correct one is 750, right?
Okay.
So that is
Andy R says, I remember UGO for Linux permission, UGO for Linux permission user group owner. So it's easier to understand it that way, be UGO. I
But I
don't know
still
what
have
that
to do
means.
the 4 plus 2 and all that, but it's not that difficult
Oh, okay.
to
All right.
understand.
But I mean, unanimously, everybody got the answer right. So I guess, yeah, I do like Linux then. All right, next question.
All right, so let's see. Okay.
Welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
All right, let's try this one here.
I'm trying to keep in touch with the chat. So.
All right. Minus I. Clear, hold on. All right, let's try
The
that
screen
one.
has my neck up like.
I know. Okay.
Welcome. Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. A newly hired junior administrator is studying the format of that right there, var/log message file. Which of the following commands should the administrator use to preserve the content of the original file while also creating an identical file in the home/admin directory? Godsend, was the previous question not 644? No, was
750.
750. Godsend. Welcome, Tony. How are you? Today is Linux, so welcome in. Thank you, Sean. See, I told you the people in the chat, they're pretty helpful people. Where is XJ? Welcome in, Innocent. Welcome, AD Junior. How are you? Welcome in, welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Raymond Sakwe, or IT Study Room. Every day of the week is a different certification. The idea is that if you're planning on taking any certification, it's curated for beginner friendly, right? So Monday is A plus, Tuesday is Network plus, today Wednesday Linux plus, tomorrow Thursday will be Security plus, right? So every day of the week. Friday is Cloud plus, Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. So if you're planning on taking any certification, come in, answer the questions, gauge yourself, see how well you're answering the question with like-minded people, because I'm just here chatting. But the people in the chat, very helpful people. They're also they range, right, from people that don't know nothing like me to the OGs. Well, I shouldn't say people that don't know nothing like me. People that are learning, like me, and but I'm not really taking the learning anywhere. But anyway, people that are learning like me to the OGs with over 30 plus certifications. So welcome in. If you're not following, follow. All right, what's the answer?
No. Oh, so okay.
It
So
ranges
we have what?
B and C.
B and C. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah. So it says a newly hired junior administrator is studying the format of the /var/log/messages file.
Mm-hmm.
Which of the following commands should the administrator used to preserve the content of the original file while also
Oh, or D. Okay.
creating an identical file in the /home/admin
It could
directory.
be both. Okay.
Right? So you said which one and which one? You
So
have,
B, C, or D, as Win said.
okay, B, C,
Or
or
D.
D.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Um,
Okay, is saying that, hold on. If the B command have been CP, yes, but not MV.
there you go.
Okay, what?
Right?
Yeah,
So,
okay.
yeah, let's start with
So what's the answer? You didn't say the answer.
the answer is C.
C,
Yeah,
okay.
the answer is C. Let's start with the first command here. So the A is touch command, right? So touch command is used to create a new file, right?
Okay.
So if you want to create a file, just use the touch command to create the file. So it doesn't copy, right?
Okay.
B is MV, which is
Oh.
move,
Okay.
right?
Welcome in, Junior, then you're in the right place.
So the move command would move the first file name, right?
Okay.
So /var/log/messages, right? It's going to move it from that location to the /home/admin. So it's going
Okay.
to move it, right?
Okay.
So it's going to delete it from the current directory and then move it to
To
the
the
new one.
next. Okay.
However, the question is saying that so it says they need to preserve the content of the original file while also creating an identical copy.
Okay.
Right? So if you use move, the original file is deleted.
It's not a copy and paste.
Right?
Okay.
So yeah, the original file will be deleted if you use MV, which is move. Right?
Okay. Godson is asking, does the MV also rename directories?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
If you use MV in the same directory, right, it's going to rename it.
Win is saying that the answer could be D as well.
D. Oh, okay. D. Remember,
There you go, Win.
E-
Where you at?
Ellen, right? That is symbolic link, right?
Oh.
So it's just a soft copy, right? So basically, it's just a pointer pointing back to the original file, right? So it's just a soft pointer that points to the original file. So it doesn't create
Soft
a
copy.
a new file,
Okay.
right?
So it doesn't create a new file.
No.
AD says, just a side note, currently switching from IT specialist to SOC. Do SOC people need Linux?
IT. Oh yes, you do.
Oh,
Hands
all right,
down.
calm
You
down.
do. You do.
Okay.
Transition from which
SJ, hi.
one? From which
You're
one to
late. Transition from IT specialist.
specialist? Okay. All right. So you have some sort of IT experience, so that is fine. But I recommend taking the Security Plus if you don't have that, and also take the CompTIA CYSA. Right? It's going to really help
it's
you.
a requirement.
Yeah. It's yeah.
It's a requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, so the answer was
Cut. Right.
CAT. Okay, so it wasn't. Okay, got it. So I think everybody understood why it's not the soft.
Yeah. Soft
Oh,
link.
okay. Latisse. I think Latisse just came in. But why cat instead of CP? There's a CP in the answer choice.
No, there's no CP.
Latisse. Oh, but is it?
Alyssa.
Okay.
Touch.
But D, you create. Okay, link. Win said, but D, you create a file and link it.
Hold on.
Okay. Are you doing something?
Yeah.
He's bringing up his screen. So. Well, okay. Well, this is my time for my preamble. This is Tech Talk with Room Sakura. Every day of the week is a different certification, aka IT Study Room. Actually, every day of the week is a different certification. It's curated for people breaking into IT newly. So, starting off Monday with A Plus to Network Plus today, Wednesday Linux Plus tomorrow, Thursday is going to be Security Plus, and so on and so forth. Right. The idea is that if you're planning on taking any of the certification, you come on in to see how well you answering the questions. Right. Gauge yourself. If you're answering, answering with ease, then you know that answering with ease and getting it right. You know that, hey, you're ready for the certification. But if you're struggling a little bit, you know that a little bit of polishing is needed, right? So then, you polish and come back. The people in the chat, TikTok chat, people in the chat, they range from the OGs with 30 certifications, like Bossman here, to, the with 15 years experience with people in here, so they're pretty helpful people in the chat. So if you're not following, follow. I say all of that to tell you if you're not following, follow. Okay, you have to answer when, by the way.
Hold on.
Yes, I just learned to touch crease a file. Okay. Cat works too, but, oh, okay, somebody just said that. What's the, okay, all right. And then XJ, D is a shortcut for original file. Perfect. I think I learned that just now. Okay. All right. What are we doing now? What that I'm stalling? What I don't know what I'm stalling
Hold
for.
on, hold on, hold on. Yeah.
Oh,
Hold
okay.
on, hold on, hold
Oh,
on.
all right, K,
Yeah,
all
the
right.
question.
K says, so
Okay.
yeah, so that's the function of CP. Maybe
Yeah,
Raymond
it
can
is.
demonstrate
No,
the
you're right.
C.
You're right. You're right. You're right.
Okay,
You're
all
right.
right.
You're right. It's CP, not cut.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, this should have been CP.
Oh, thank you, the person that said
Yeah, it should
that.
have CP.
Boris, okay, CP stands for
That's a,
copy.
that is a wrong question. But yeah,
Yeah,
that should have been
okay.
CP.
Thank you for clarifying and
Yeah, that
correcting
should
us. That's the
CP.
whole point, right? All right. So yeah, that's the function of CP. Maybe you can demo. Or you could demo. Are you going to demonstrate what?
Yes, let's do
Okay,
that.
he's about to demo that
Yeah, it
shortly.
should be CP, not cut. Sharing screen here.
Okay, cat works too, but what's the purpose of CT? Okay, all right, let's look at you. Oh,
Okay.
it was the answer was C.
Oh, it's CP, not the cut. It's
It was
CP.
CP.
Thanks. What's her name?
I don't know. I don't know if it's a he or
Okay,
she.
okay.
So, Latrice, gracias.
Uh, good catch.
Definitely. Wrong with.
No,
I don't know what that means.
this.
With CP, you don't need a, what's this? Greater
The
than?
greater than.
You don't. Oh, cat with greater than.
Hold on,
Okay.
hold on. Oh yeah.
Are you
Okay.
sharing your screen? Do you?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. They see it.
Okay. Let me. It's fine.
Okay.
It's a directory. Hold on.
Cat
Slash
opens
home.
up the. Hi, Rico. Cat opens
Yeah.
up the file, correct? Cat opens up the file, correct?
Cat open. Yeah.
Yes, it
It
opens.
just opens. So let's do.
With CP, you don't need greater than.
So let's
I'm
do
confused.
this. Let's see what is here.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
I'm trying to. I don't have. Oh, no such directories. Let's see what is here. LS.
All right,
And
guys. I think I don't like
let's
Linux because there's a lot of.
Let's try something else.
Okay.
Let's do bootlog. Yeah, bootlog. Sudo. Okay. So let's try the cat one more time. So cat to, let me try to send
Use
this
cat to open the message file, and then cat open it
to
into another file. Okay.
to let's do to home, and let's see slash home slash ray. Yeah. So the CP. Let's try the CP here.
I don't know what's happening.
CP.
Yeah, cat with greater than signs will copy and output. You should specify a file.
With, okay.
Once they specify a file.
Let's do touch on home directory. Touch.
With cat.
And yeah, touch slash home.
I have no idea what's happening. But anyway, welcome in. This is Tech Talk Room and Soccer. We are all learning.
Okay. All right. So slash home.
Each day of the week is a different certification. So anyway, so today's Linux Plus, as you can tell. Tomorrow is Security Plus. He's demoing a question that was previously, so if you're new, join. Follow.
BOT. Let's do BOT and see. And then now let's use the cat and then do BOT. Yeah, so that is.
There's no such file. Okay.
boot.
Help.
Hold on. Boot the log. It should be boot the log.
Boot the log. Okay.
Yeah, the log. Okay. And then move it to slash home slash array slash
Welcome.
sudo. Okay, let's try sudo. Oh, greater than here. Yeah. And let's try sudo.
This is
Okay.
Tech Talk Room and Soccer every day because it's different certification. If you're planning on taking any certification, you come here. You discuss with the like-minded people in the chat. Get it wrong here so you can get it right on exam.
Okay. So the cat works.
The cat work.
The
Okay.
cat works. So it's the right question. The
So
cat
it was
works.
cat.
Yeah, the cat works. CP also would work.
Okay.
Um,
So no, so that's what Latrice was saying
yeah.
that. So I'm lost. Did anybody else go? Because I'm lost. I don't want to confuse myself anymore. So
Yeah.
so in the question in the exam,
Mm-hmm.
and if they had CP, would they have CP and they have cat? What is
Yes.
one supposed to choose?
CP wouldn't have the greater sign.
That's what somebody
Right.
was saying.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right.
But the cat will have the greater sign. So either you do
Only missing the file.
cat this, or let's do CP, the file name, right? Slash var slash log slash, I think was boot the log, right? Yeah.
I don't know.
And then now, yeah, instead of the greater
Welcome, Mr.
sign
Wilson.
in cat, you just leave a space, and then now you can type the directory that you want to push the file to.
Okay. Out of curiosity, for
Array.
Linux, would they be when you're taking the exam? They're not gonna actually do this, right?
For Red Hat, yes, they're gonna
Oh,
ask
for
you.
Red Hat, but
Yeah.
we're not doing Red
But
Hat. But I'm
for
talking about this one right here.
no,
Okay.
they wouldn't. Yeah, you wouldn't see this here.
Okay. When it's saying the greater sign is always redirection.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought that was a difficult question.
Stop sharing screen.
Only because it
here.
seems like it took a lot. But anyway, if you're not following, follow. This is Tech Talk with Miss Sakura. Today is Linux Plus, so we are going through the question for Linux Plus certification with CompTIA. This is the second domain, so these questions are, what is the second domain called? It's just the second domain.
So that would be.
Don't
Yeah,
worry, it's just the
that
second
would.
domain.
Okay, that would be.
C.
Okay.
Oh, the answer was C. Okay, perfect. When you're not keeping score anymore. All right, we're ready for the next question when
Okay,
you are.
let me paste the next question here.
Wow, Linux makes me
Okay,
sweat.
let's try this.
Like, can you imagine taking this exam if you don't know what you're talking about?
Let's try this one here. This.
Okay. Where are we? Okay, a system administrator is compiling a report containing information about processes that are listed on the network ports for a Linux server, which of the following commands will allow the administrator to obtain the needed information. No, Pisces, no, honestly. It's not making you sweat. I'm like, this is difficult. Just a simple question, and everybody's like, C. I'm like, I don't understand what's happening. You know, A plus, I can get a little guess here and there. This one is like, if you don't know it, you don't know it. Okay, we have C. I only recognize C, so we're gonna go with C. That's a good one to go. Okay, C. Raise the bar quickly. Win is in the game. When did the answer yes? We're gonna wait for. Wait, did you answer Win? No, not yet. Okay, he said this is a tough one. Is it? Is it a tough one?
It's actually two possible
Oh, no worries, Win. We'll wait for you.
answer options that I might probably give
Gauge
the
towards.
same.
Okay.
Yeah, give the
So why does it
same.
do that? If it's gonna give the same thing, if one chooses the answer that they think is right, then what? Only. Oh, okay. Yep. The only answer is C. Okay. Yep. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Room in Sakura, aka the IT Study Room. Every day. Oh, Pastor Joe said C. Okay. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking new into IT, right? So it started from A plus on Mondays to AZ 900 on Sundays. The schedule is posted on the page. Please do come here if you're planning on taking a certification. The people in the chat range, right, from people that are newly learning to people who are 15 plus experience in the chat. Bossman here has over 30 plus certifications, including CISSP. So if you are planning on, taking it and you have any questions besides the one that he's doing with this series, you could DM him and, he'll answer. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm talking too much. The answer choices are between A, C, and B.
So
But majority saying C.
the answer would be A.
What?
Yeah, the answer would be A. Net
Oh, you're going to have to explain
stats.
this.
No problem. Just share screen
Because
here.
the way that Yup is saying that. Yup. Stop it. Okay, well, bye.
All right,
Okay.
so
What's the answer? A, you
yeah,
said?
yeah, the answer is A, right? Which is
Oh.
SS. Let me.
But the way everybody says, oh, wait, the win answer? When? Okay, go ahead.
All right, so the question is saying that a system administrator is compiling a report containing information about processes that are listening on the network port of a Linux server. Actually, this is one of the tasks of a SOC analyst as well.
Oh, to the person, AD Junior.
Which of the following command would allow the administrator to obtain the needed information, right? So the keyword here is what? The keyword here is...
Oh, Emmanuel was the first. Oh, okay, Emmanuel. I didn't even see Emmanuel's. Oh, he was the first to answer. He did say A. All right, Emmanuel.
Yeah, so it says about processes that are listening. That's the keyword, listening on the network, right? So you can have processes that are listening. You can also have processes that are that are connected to a remote system. So there's different options here, right?
Yeah, Emmanuel said the keyword here is listening.
Yeah, there you go. Right,
Okay.
netstart will give you the netstart command here would give you the established connections, right?
Okay.
It wouldn't give you the listening, right?
Okay.
So let me share my
So to confirm, the answer was A.
A, the SS.
Okay.
Right. So let me. The B is TCP dump, right? So basically, it's dumping all the network traffic,
Okay.
right? So it's similar to Wireshark, in anyone that knows Wireshark, right? So every traffic that is going in and out, you can capture that.
Okay.
Right.
What about C? Because that was majority. And Pastor Joe's actions secure shell? Question mark.
SSH, yeah.
SSH. Oh, okay. All right. So why was it not C?
So C is net. Okay, so the C command will show you established connections. It wouldn't show you listening processes.
Okay.
Right, so that is.
Jade Tarzan 0 says C works for Windows.
I mean, NetStat also work for
Windows.
Linux as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Network status. Okay.
Yeah. So let me share the screen here and here. All right. So let's type the first command, right, which is ss dash p lnt, right? Press enter. You see, it gives you a listening, right? It gives you listening information, right? But when we type the net start and then -pn, right? Press enter. You see, it gives you a connected or established connection.
Okay.
All right, so it's two.
Emmanuel says that the ISOF would have also been good answer if a port or PUD was provided.
Okay, so list open files.
Would have been
No,
also.
that would just list open files. Would it tell you the listening connections? I think it would just list open file for a specific process.
Okay. A would give you listening ports as well. Yes, Topher, the answer
It's
was
A,
A.
yeah.
The answer was A. Welcome in.
All right, so yeah, so that is it. Let me try the previous command again.
Everything is a file on Linux.
Yeah, it is. Everything is a file. Every single thing.
No, yeah, the answer was A. It was SS. What does the PLNT stand for?
So let's PLNT. So let's do the man page.
Oh, welcome, Juliet. So,
SS.
so Juliet, this is curated for beginner-friendly people, right? So every day of the week is a different certification. His recommendation is that you start off with A plus if you're breaking into IT newly, but you could DM him because I don't know what I'm talking about. He's the tech guy. But the people in the chat are also useful people as well. But again, because this is user curated for beginner-friendly, start off with the basics like A plus, Network plus, Linux plus, which is today. So if you're not following, follow, and then DM him for what you want to do. Okay, but welcome in. Are you scaring?
Yeah. So
Okay.
the P here. Oh, so the L. I think I found P, right? The P here is show processes using what socket, right?
Okay.
That is the P. Let's find the L. Um,
What's the and a P? DR, DRNP. Are you here still?
I don't see, hold on, did I think I did? Hold on.
Everything. Okay. Everything in the file. Da. So ports. So
Yeah,
ports
L
are
will be
files.
listening. Come again?
So ports are files.
Not port specifically, the configuration.
Okay. Configuration.
Yeah. Um, okay, this is the L, right? Listening, and that was one of the keywords on the question, right?
Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
the N will be show numeric port, right? And then the T is TCP. We can find that here. Dash N right here, numeric, and then dash T is TCP socket.
Okay.
Should be all the way down.
Yeah. Says to find. I use /n search for
Oh, to search the
man
yeah,
pages.
and then yeah, okay,
That's
that's
what y'all
fine.
said. Tony asks if I study and get certs, would that lead me to employment without experience? I think the chat would answer you for that, but I don't know. Tony's, but that's a legit question. If I study and get cert, would that lead me to employment without experience?
I mean, so you currently don't have any experience, right?
Why you there? The next question.
Yeah, let me
Okay.
get that. Yeah, okay,
He's gonna
got
answer you,
it.
but he's just gonna bring the next question up. Okay. Okay, there you go. Wouldn't go yes and no. Um, da da da. Kweku, does he offer one-on-one training? DM him. Depending on what you're trying to do, but he does have a boot camp. But this was not supposed to be about the boot camp. This was supposed to be, curated for beginner-friendly people. Just answer the questions and see how well you're doing. But you could DM him. He will respond. It just takes him a little longer to respond because there's a 9 to 5, there's a family, and all those 9 yards. But he'll respond.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So it depends. There where people with experience who aren't getting jobs. Okay, that's
Okay.
actually good one as well. All right. Let me know when you put the next question. So,
All right. Let me.
real world projects. Agreed.
Okay. Yeah. Let me paste the next question here.
What's a good cybersecurity certification for entry level?
Let me hide this. Hold on. The what? Come again?
Well, after you answer that, the other person
Okay.
is asking if they do certification without any experience, would they get any job?
Okay. Yeah. It depends.
This one here.
It's gonna. I think.
Oh, it's a little lagging.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and then before that though, I believe NetSet would also do this. Oh, but it's a
NetSet.
tricky question.
Depending on the option or the flag.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Are you gonna answer the question?
Yeah. So it depends. It depends on the specific job role, right? You wouldn't take certification and go straight to advanced roles, right? That
Okay.
wouldn't work, right? So it's always good to start
From the
with
basics?
entry level roles, right? Remember, the experience don't want the entry level roles,
Right.
obviously, right? So
I mean-
yeah, if you want to break into IT, and my suggestion is to start with help desk, right? And after the help desk, you move to network administration, right?
Okay.
And then now you can build from there. Yeah. So that is my recommendation.
So I guess indirectly you answer the second one. The first question says, what's a good cybersecurity certification for? Wait, what's a good cybersecurity certification for entry level?
Okay, so I personally don't recommend diving straight into security if you are beginner in IT.
Okay.
However, if you have some sort of experience in information technology,
Mm-hmm.
then I recommend diving into security, right?
So
And if
security plus, you mean, or
no, no,
security as in cybersecurity?
it's cybersecurity or security is similar.
I'm just saying,
Um,
everybody calls it cybersecurity.
so yeah, if you have some sort of experience,
Mm-hmm.
then I recommend diving into security. An entry level job would be the SOC analyst. Was it job or certification? SOC
It's two
analyst,
different
right?
questions. Yeah.
SOC analyst. I would recommend taking the Net Security Plus and then the CompTIA CYSA, which is the certification itself is it prepares you for a SOC analyst role.
Okay. What's the answer to the question? Quick, cool.
Did
DM
you
him.
read?
Oh, I didn't read it, but they already answered the question.
Okay.
A Linux administrator needs to schedule a Linux administrator needs to schedule a system backup script, with that right there, to run every night at 1:30 a.m. Which of the following entries should the administrator add to system? Oh, what is it called?
Crontab, yeah.
Contact to achieve the goal. AK says the answer is C. I just came from Crontab.guru. All right, so the answer is C. Win has been saying C from jump too. But Kirku, Abeyu. Yeah, I mean, he don't believe in charging a lot for his knowledge. I disagree. I disagree.
I mean, charging a lot is relative.
But okay, I disagree because the amount of time it takes to study and pass the certifications and pay for certifications, you'd be charging. But he don't. So you could check Contact to see the way to configure it to match the question. Okay, y'all.
Check what?
Check Chrome Tap
There
to
you go.
see. Okay.
Yeah, and it's in /etc/Crontab. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what's the answer?
So the answer would be C.
I mean, if you said anything otherwise, the people would
Oh,
have.
they all said C?
Yeah, they would have left.
Like who?
They would have
The
said.
one that left?
Yeah. What's his name?
Anyways.
Yup. Yeah, they would have left because clearly you don't know what you're talking about if you said anything other than that.
All right. So let's see. Yeah, so Chrome tab, okay, it says a Linux administrator needs to schedule a system backup, right? Script, which is in this directory, right? It should run every midnight at 1:30 a.m., right? So yeah, Chrome tab is one of the utilities that you can use to schedule tasks in Linux, right? And they also have AT as well, and I think one more. But yeah, so let me share my screen here.
With you.
Okay, I'm sharing screen.
Welcome, Dawn. Paya, welcome.
All right.
Today I'm not even doing my preamble now, but
Okay, so yeah, so the and as someone mentioned, the file /etc/Chrome tab gives you the breakdown of the configuration, right? So if I type cat command to view, right? So /etc/Chrome tab, right? Press enter, right?
okay.
It gives you this example, right? So this will be the first asterisk would be minute, hours, days, month, and day of the week.
This is like a
Right?
graph.
So the question is saying that every midnight at what? At 1:30,
1:30,
right?
yeah.
So now the minute should be what? Should be 30, right? The hour should be what? 1. It starts from 0 to 24 into military
23.
time. 23. That's military time, right? So this will be what? 1 a.m., 30 minutes, right? So 30 and then what? 1.
Okay.
Day of the month, we don't really care.
Oh,
It
we
says every single day.
Day, okay,
So
at
that'll be
1:30.
asterisk, right?
Every
Month,
single night. Okay.
right? Month. We don't really care about the month. So that'll also be what? An asterisk,
Asterisk,
right?
okay.
And then day of the week, we don't really care. So that'll be what? An asterisk. So 30
Okay.
space 1 space asterisk, space asterisk, space asterisk.
Okay. Yeah, said so before. Forget the funny. I see your question. I'm going to get back to that in a few. Most of these, as long as you know where to find it, you should be able to answer these questions.
Exactly.
Okay. What do you mean
I
where to
mean,
find it? Because if you're taking the exam,
yeah, if you're
oh, if you're
taking,
prepping to study for exam.
yeah.
Okay. Sorry, what were you going to
Yeah,
say?
no, that's fine. I mean, yeah, if you are prepping, you should know where those files are
Okay.
and then try to use them.
Okay.
But in the Linux plus exams, you wouldn't get that interactive work.
Flexibility to do that,
But
right?
I think that the Red Hat you have that, but it also has its difficulty level as well.
All right.
But
Next.
yeah, let me stop sharing screen here and then let's get the next question.
Forget the funny. Your question is a little hard to answer. What do you recommend to go to after college? I'm going to answer the way he's going to answer it, which is going to be, what are you planning on doing after college, right? You know, everybody's path is a little different. So, what are you planning on doing after college? Oh, is it after college, right? Yeah. Hi, Peter. When will we do Network Plus? Network Plus is on Tuesdays. People like Network Plus. Wow. Is it because of the show and tell he does? But yeah, Network Plus is on Tuesdays. Tomorrow's Security Plus, though. Do come for that. If you don't like Linux, 'cause I don't blame you for asking that. And if you kind of forget a specific file, use grep to look for keywords, although all files on through all the files on the PC.
GRP. So by using the find command, is that it? Find
Emmanuel,
with grep.
Emmanuel, you know what to tell me. You have a certification in this. What do you do? What do you
Yeah,
do?
what do you do?
When is A plus 1201? Kriko, I don't know where you're watching it from, but
That is I think that is the core one, right?
oh,
That would be
I thought you meant the time.
yeah, that would be Mondays, right?
Mondays,
Yeah.
yes.
All right. Yeah,
It
pipe
should be
it
fine.
into grep. Okay.
Okay, core one. Okay, yes. Mondays is A plus. So Linux Talk is always on Wednesdays. Yes, please. Emmanuel is always on Wednesday. Always Wednesdays. Thursdays is going to be Security Plus. Oh, from Canada. Oh, got it. Okay. Yeah, so the core one. The A plus is kind of fun. This one right here, no bueno. Yes, the answer was C. Are you changing the question?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, you done with the questions?
Yeah, I'm trying to find
It's supposed to. We
one
were supposed to be
more.
on for an hour, and we reached that hour gap. So he's trying to find one more questions. Oh, he has I have a IFCS robotics engineer.
I mean, is that a Linux certification? IFCS.
That sounds so fancy.
Linux Foundation.
Oh, he said yeah.
Yeah. Oh, how was it? DM me.
You see how excited he got? There goes another certification, guys.
Yeah, DM me. We need to talk.
What if he don't want to talk?
Then fine. I'm trying to find one more.
Are the training resources good for my core 1 and 2? I would hope so. DM all of us. Right, Red? You know, Red is a part of us, okay? He's a part of the team. With the training material, I don't know.
Which training material?
Oh, he said with the training resources, are doing the training resources good for my core 1 and 2? Oh, training resources where? Which resources? The CompTIA gives training resources. This is the next question.
No.
Oh.
I couldn't find
I'm
the
stalling,
question
so you can bring
yet.
the question.
I'm trying to find a question.
Oh, Dion's training.
Oh,
Okay.
I mean, yeah,
I'm saying okay, like I don't know.
I think it's good. It's
Yeah.
good enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dion's training. Okay, you're right. Yeah, I think the people that have taken Dion. What do you think about the training? Is it enough for resources enough for the core 1 and plus 2? Yeah. So this is all defensive until you get into Red Hat. When you are putting persistence on somebody else's system. How you put a laughing emoji behind it? It sounds so serious, y'all. It sounds so serious. When said robotics and electric car, I would like to. Oh, really? What is electric car? Is it like is it like a certification
Electric?
or?
No, I think it's just generic robot and
Okay, I didn't want to
electric.
say something wrong because you know the IT.
Yeah, different terms.
Okay.
I don't think I have anything
Oh, you're done.
else.
You
Yeah,
didn't say that was the last question. Okay, well, bring
I
something
know.
up from a different domain then because we didn't say that was
Uh,
the last question. I feel like it's a bad way to end. It's like a bad way to end a
no,
relationship or
it's
something.
not.
Yeah, but you have to bring one more question. Say this is the last question.
All right, let's try this one then.
All right, this is the last question.
Fine. Let's try this one.
Tomorrow's security plus.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
Security Plus.
But so because he's going by domain, this is the only questions that he has left for that domain. So this is the last question for the night. All right, so this is Tech Talk with Roman Sacre. If you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification. The list is the program schedule is posted on the page, right? So from A plus to AZ 900. So Monday is A plus, Tuesday is Network plus, Wednesday Linux plus, Thursday Security plus, Friday is Cloud plus, well, Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday is AZ. Hi, NC Chucka. How are you? Was the exam today or was it tomorrow? Where did I leave off? Sunday, AZ 900. So again, if you're planning on taking the certification, the idea is that you come here Friday. Okay. If you're planning on taking the certification, you come here, see how well you're doing, how well you're answering the question, gauge yourself. If you're answering with ease, you know that you are answering and you are doing well. But if you are struggling, you know that a little bit of a touch here, you know, revisit the questions over again. And yeah, so the people in the chat, they range. Me, really don't know nothing about this stuff. But Bossman here, over 30 plus certifications. People in the chat, very useful people, very smart people at that. Range from different job fields. So they answer, yeah. Okay. All right, this is the question. All right, so shall I continue? A system administrator is customizing a new Linux server. Which of the following settings for unmask would ensure that that new files have default permission? The R, yeah, I don't want to read that wrong, but all right. So Jose, hi Jose. Jose said D. We have B. We have D. Okay, it ranges. So do tell.
Okay.
Yeah, said it's 6064, which is D. Okay.
064.
0640.
Okay.
That's D. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready for you for the answer.
Okay,
Oh, I see. Check
so-
is a D.
And what is the default
Oh no, that's not the answer.
file permission?
Okay.
Oh, that was the answer.
No. I think Rabbit thought Rabat thought that I said D was the answer. I don't know nothing here. Okay. I was just asking, but he didn't say the answer yet.
Okay, so we have what?
We have D, B, between D and B.
DMB. Okay.
But Emmanuel, what did Emmanuel say? Cause I'm and Win didn't say nothing either. Win. Oh, Win said B. I'm sorry. Emmanuel said D. Win said B. Okay. And okay, so between D and B.
Okay. So the answer is B.
B.
Right? Yeah. So
Okay.
so now with Linux files, right? It has default permissions, right?
Okay. Hey,
So
Dawn.
the default permission is what? Is 666 for a file, right?
Oh, God
It's
forbid.
666, right? However, the required permission that we need, so we have read, write, right? Which is 4 plus what? No, yeah, read, write, which is 4 plus 2, right? That would be 6, right? Let me try
Share
to.
the screen. They couldn't
No.
find any other number than 666. Dawn, we are well. We are well. Hope you are too.
So we want to read. So I'm converting this to the numeric value, right? Which is what? 6, right? So 4 plus 2, read, write, 6. And then the next one for group is read, right? That would be what? 4, right? Yeah, there's 4. And then the last one for
Did you fix anything today, Don?
others would be what? Would be 0, right? So this is the desired state,
Okay.
right? However, the default is what? Is,
That's what I was about to ask NC Chucker. So
come again?
is the answer D?
No, the answer is what? C.
No.
Sorry, B.
Okay.
It's B.
Okay.
So it says a system administrator is customizing a new Linux server. Which of the following settings for UMax would ensure that new files have a default permission of this, right? So this is the default permission, right? So if the UMask cannot be what?
Is
The
is it
default
unmask or unmask?
On it's UMask.
Oh, okay.
It's
Somebody said unmasked. I was wondering. So is this
Yeah, it's UMask.
okay? Yeah. Oh, service. So good. Okay, good.
Right?
So yeah says no is unmasked. Okay. All right.
Alright,
So I'm sorry. Continue.
So now this is the desired state, right? And that's what we converted here, right?
Okay.
So in the UMask, you can't just type the same exact value as the desired state, right?
Okay.
So what will happen is you're going to subtract the default mask, which is what? 666 from what? From the desired state,
You gotta
right?
do
Which is
subtraction.
this, right?
Okay.
So now this will give you, I think it will give you 0, right? It will give you 0, right? This one will be
Yeah.
0. The next one will be what? 2, and then the next one will be
7.
is it 0? No, hold on.
Did you do it wrong? Oh, you didn't do the math right. Let me do the math.
Yeah, hold on. Let me see.
Oh, it could be C. Hold on. I gotta pull out my calculator. What are we subtracting?
Yeah, hold on. Let me see.
Can you imagine? 7, 7, 9, 2, 8, 7. Rabbit said, give me. Rabat said, give me one more. It could be wrong. Hold on. What am I subtracting?
Yeah, subtract that from and bring up there.
So
That should be it.
6
yeah.
640. It comes up to be.
So yeah, that is it. That
20.
is so 00026. That is the what? That is the UMax,
But
right?
why is it-
However,
Okay.
since group execution is already not allowed for files, right? The closest one will be this value.
So no, the answer is B.
Is B.
Is B. Okay, the answer is B. So all right, start over again. So you're supposed to subtract?
Yes, you have
How
to
is one
subtract.
supposed to know that they're supposed to subtract? Is it because there's dash 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 there?
So the default, so in Linux, right? There's something called UMax, right?
Okay.
So basically, setting a default permission for a file.
SC Chuck is asking, what is UMask?
So yeah, it's basically setting default permission for files, right? So
Okay.
if as a system administrator, you can go into a Linux system and then set a UMax, right? Which basically saying that every file that is created or every folder that is created would have, the user will have a read permission and read and write. The group wouldn't have any permission. The others wouldn't have any permission, right? So
Okay.
as an administrator, you can go in and make those changes. So any file or folder that a user would create would automatically inherit that permission,
Okay.
right? So it's more of a way of controlling how permissions are set on files and folders.
Okay. Gus the Chicken Man, what is the, I don't think I saw your answer choice. What is your answer choice then? Okay. So 0027 produces 640 when applied properly as mask.
Max, okay.
Okay. Jose says, so like GPs for Windows?
Group policy for Windows.
Hi, Minji.
I mean, group policy is a little broader, right? But the UMass is just specifically for files and folders.
Okay. So Don says, okay, so not CHMOD, right? Not C.
Change mod.
When you were explaining something, he said that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, so you got it. Okay. So NC Chucker says, so it would be D without or mask?
Yes, do
Oh,
downloads.
okay. So
That's a
so
required permission.
so now the keyword is so what's the keyword for this one? How does one know to not go for D and go for B?
So the B is the D is the permission that you will. This is the actual permission, right?
Okay.
However, you have to modify the existing default permission that was set. So you can't just say that will be the actual value in the UMax file.
Okay.
Right, so you just have to subtract it.
Subtracted. Minji's asking that is CCNA okay to pursue for a fresh grad planning on becoming a network engineer?
Yeah. So fresh grad, it depends on. Yeah, it depends on how. I mean, so IT, right? You are into information technology, right?
No, Daryl. The answer B, Daryl. The answer was C. I mean B.
B.
B. I think I could explain to you why it is, but I can't really get into details. But when he finished, I'm sorry. Go
So
ahead,
yeah,
finish it.
CCNA, right? So you want to get into networking. CCNA is Cisco certification, so it's the best route to take, right? However, if you don't have any strong foundation in networking in general, I recommend starting with Network Plus, right? And then you can move on to the CCNA.
Okay. So y'all was saying that CH mod also can change the file permission.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can.
All right. You want it
Yeah,
as a
but this didn't
default, but
say.
not as a change. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, so this didn't say what CHMod.
Okay. Um, Rabit came in late and says that he wants one more. But Rabit, we were supposed to be on for an hour. It's
Yeah, I
almost an
don't
hour, 30
think.
minutes. But do come next week. Next week is, well, no, come tomorrow. But tomorrow is Security Plus. Next week, Wednesday is Linux Plus. Why is this even a Linux Plus question?
What do you mean why?
That's the question, Nancy Chuck. But you know how CompTIA be moving. These are fun. I can't believe this is fun for you guys, but okay. But tomorrow is Security Plus, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Do join. Let's see how, if you're planning on taking the security, see how well you're answering the questions, okay? So we'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
Likewise. Oh, y'all said this is basic Linux things. Is this
Who
really
said- who
basic?
said-
This is quite difficult. This is quite difficult, right? Quite difficult. But yes, so tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Security Plus. Hope to see you guys there. Good night. Today went by fast. I feel like Linux, we only have like 2 questions. Thank you. So, AK, you get it. My influential days are coming. I gotta go do my hair and everything. Come back. Oh, NC Chucker said one more. NC Chucker.
Okay, let's see.
NC Chucker. We gotta go. NC Chucker
Yeah,
tomorrow. You didn't come early. Do you have any more? If you don't,
Yeah, I don't think I
NC
have.
Chucker next week. Okay. Next week.
Yeah, I don't think I
But come for
have.
security. You know security is some show and tells with that. Good night before he actually does find one more.
All right. Good night, guys.
Bye. Thanks for joining.
All right.